Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you see this box, chances are most of you already know what this tastes like. These RITZ crackers are a classic. These crackers from Nabisco are basically my childhood in a box. I ate these all the time and I still crave their super buttery, crispy flavor, and they never disappoint. They have the perfect amount of flakiness to butteriness to saltiness. This particular package is nice because it is a family size and it has 6 of these stacks and they're individually sealed, so it helps to keep them fresher for longer. I really love to eat these with peanut butter or with cottage cheese or just straight out of the little packets. No matter how you eat them, they totally satisfy that salty, crunchy craving that you have. So if you are looking for a delicious cracker that is a total classic and won't let you down, definitely check out these RITZ from Nabisco. That's my point of view.